Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. So let's get started. First, you need to open Facebook. After that, go to your menu by pressing the three lines button right here. Once you're here, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. And after that, click on Settings. Once you're here, you will find Account Center. That's where we need to go next. But if you don't find Account Center, just search for it instead. Just type Account Center and just press on it. Now that we are here, just press Profiles and go to your Facebook account. Press Name, and here is where you can change your name. Just type whatever name you want. I'm just going to remove my first name and surname and just replace both of them. Once you're done, just press Review Change and it will make you select how you want your name to be displayed. Once you're done with that, just press Save Changes and now your name has finally been changed. It's that simple. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this.